Hi guys, this is Mindy with R&M Arms, and today I'm going to show you the Glocks that we have in stock right now. First, I'm going to start with our special. It's a Glock 17 Gen 5. Right now, it's on sale for $5.99, and it comes with this Glock range bag and a water bottle. I also have a Glock 17 Gen 3. And another Glock 17 Gen 5 in a special color. It's a coyote brown with a special Cerakoted dark brown slide. We've also got the Glock 45 in stock, the Glock 48, a Glock 19 Gen 3, and the Glock 19 Gen 5. I have a couple of Glock 19Xs, the baby Glock, the Glock 26. I've got a used Glock 43. It comes with a holster. And I've got a new Glock 43 in a special limited edition color. Glock 27, it's a used one that comes with 3 mags and it's in a 40 caliber. A Glock 32 Gen 4 357 SIG. This is a brand new one. And a Glock 21 Gen 4 45 ACP, and it is also brand new. That's all we have today in our Glocks. Give us a call or come by and see us. Thanks.